Hi, what witchcraft is involved in the manufacture of the Bi-Terry lip powder essence? These, for those who came in late, are the latest lip products from Bi-Terry. They're exclusive to Feel Unique, who ships worldwide. They cost £25 each, and for that you only get 0.9 grams of product. So there are just 4 shades: Pink Kiss, Nude Flirt, Red Carpet, and Chill Wine. So I picked Nude Flirt, which I'm wearing right now, demo coming in a minute. But before that, what makes these special? These are loose powder. These are loose powder pigments. Ever heard of such a thing? Loose powder pigments, which you apply on your lips, and then it transforms into liquid. And it's a long-wearing liquid lip color. Yes, that's what I said. Loose powder pigments, which turn into tinted water upon contact with the lips. So apparently the technology behind these is that there's water essence microbubbles, which are coated with a concentrated pigment. Microbubbles, you can't even see them. They're very, very, very minuscule. They're coated with a concentrated pigment, and upon contact with the lips, the bubbles burst, releasing a pigment which clings to your lips. And the applicator is an extreme precision one. So let's see if all that is true and what is involved in the making of this. Now behind this it says matte color tattoo print featherweight. This breakthrough lipstick triggers a true lip revolution. Born from the exclusive powder to liquid technology, the feather-like loose powder texture immediately transforms into a highly pigmented liquid ink matte lipstick. How does it work? The water essence microbubbles, coated with premium highly concentrated pigments, magically explode when touching the lips, creating high color impact, stunning coverage, no transfer, smudge-proof and kiss-proof makeup. That is mind-boggling. So that's the tube itself. Very, very thin and very, very tiny. To get some perspective, this is the Eyelure Brow Tube. This is Benefit's, it's somewhere here. Yeah, this is Benefit's Gimme Brows. So the sort of diameter of the tube is actually smaller than that of Benefit Gimme Brow, as you can see here. Now, can you see the loose powder in there? I'll just try shaking this tube a bit. So can you see that loose powder moving? Gosh, loose powder. I can't believe this. It's very, very fine to the touch. It doesn't feel liquidy to the touch. And that is the applicator itself, very, very small and thin. It is a precision applicator. I can imagine why. I mean, you don't want the bubbles or the micropigments to fall all over the place, do you? So it's very, very precise and very, very tiny. I suppose a larger applicator wouldn't pick up the loose powder very well or apply it. I mean, you'd probably get it all over the place, you know, while applying. So a precision applicator is the need of the hour for this particular formula. Now, here's a demo of this. You need to be careful while putting the applicator back into the tube, because that's when there's a bit of powder spreadage, sort of burst of a puff of powder, if you're not careful to do very, very slowly. Now I'm going to swatch this for you. First, I'll get a smidgen of the powder out and swatch it with my fingertip. And then I'll swatch it with the applicator. Just bear with me for a minute. That is a swatch of a bit of the powder itself, which I spread out with one finger. Very, very little of the powder. I don't want to lose any powder at this price. And this is a swatch with the applicator. So as you can see, Nude Flood is actually a sort of brick nude, you know, very, very brick-colored nude. So that's a lot more coverage. You know, you can't do this with your fingertip. You need the precision applicator for best coverage, for full pigmentation. This isn't going to work out. This isn't going to give you full coverage with a lip brush or some other applicator, which is exactly how this looks on the lips. Full coverage, opaque, very, very pigmented indeed. Look at that. So Nude Flood, not very nudey. I understand from the swatches that Pink Kiss is even paler than this, which is why I didn't buy Pink Kiss. Now, in retrospect, I think Pink Kiss would be a lot subtler, you know, the sort of dusty, rosy shade that I prefer. So I might buy Pink Kiss for myself after that. The other two shades are Red Carpet, very evident there, and Chill Wine, which should probably be one of those wine-ish or even a fuchsia shade, I don't know. So, formula. How does the seemingly gimmicky and very, very innovative product feel on the lips? Incredibly lightweight, like wearing nothing at all. While applying, it actually feels wet to the touch, like, you know, you actually pressed a cleansing wipe to your lip, or had a bit of cotton, drenched cotton, wet cotton to the lip. So that's how it feels. Wet to the touch on the lips, not on your fingertips, not elsewhere, not while tapping off the powder into your palm. On the lips, while applying, it feels wet initially, and it dries very, very quickly. And the precision applicator means that it's quite easy to line your lips without using a separate lip liner. And then you can just fill up the rest of it. So it dries very quickly, and it wears very, very well. It lasts through water, it lasts through the basic meal, it doesn't last through greasy meals. It is oil soluble, which means that oil cleansers, bi-phase cleansers, and so on, cleansing oils, cleansing balms will take this one off. It has been a while since we've seen something this innovative, this interesting, this exciting in the makeup field. Everything has been a bit blah these days, you know, warm neutral palettes and matte liquid lipsticks. It's been all over the place, highlighters. So very nice to see something this innovative. Very exciting product. What I don't like, one, the quantity, very, very little. I don't know how long this is going to last. I mean, you don't need too much. You need about 2 dips for full coverage on your lips at one go. So I don't know how long this is going to last. There's just 0.9 grams of product. I don't know how much the applicator picks up at one go. So, but I don't really think this will last too long. That's one gripe. The other gripe is the price point, £25 for one tube. And the other thing is just 4 shades. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see this one expand. So I'd love to see more brands come out with this kind of formula, you know, very, very innovative and exciting. And I love that. It's near perfect, you know, long wearing, lightweight, non-drying, full coverage, very, very interesting and exciting to use, and feels very, very good on the lips. What's not to love? The other interesting thing is that the color on the lips is not even remotely close to the color of the powder itself within the tube. But that's not very surprising, because this is a powder, a loose powder, and it transforms into a concentrated liquid pigment while on the lips. So it stands to reason that it's going to be deeper. So these are exclusive to Feel Unique. They ship worldwide. Link in the description box below, £25. Interesting product. I highly recommend buying when Feel Unique has a discount code. If I do have a code for you, I'll add it to the description box below. So I bought this for my birthday with a 20% discount, so it wasn't so bad. So if you are looking for a fun lip product that wears very well on the lips, feels comfortable, stays on through the day, and doesn't dry out your lips, the By Terry Lip Powder Essence is a great choice. it is probably one of the most exciting products for 2018 that we've seen so far. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. And I'll speak to you in my next video.